Something about that particular stick that Uncle Turbo has that them little puppies want. Got one of them left, folks. One left from Jolie and Tank's litter. It's that tan collar one that's giving Turbo a kiss. It's a male, real pretty, liver and white patch, ticked, a little bit of roan. He's a pretty boy. The other two are sold. They're going to Dakota, South Dakota, Rapid City. And let's see, Hopkinton, New Hampshire. Which is about the farthest away I've sold, I think. I did sell one down the Mexican border in South Texas with 16 hours, so that may be further.